How long will it be until I am able to do a pistol squat? So, 5 minutes ago, I tried to do a full deep pistol squat where I went all the way down. All the way down. Not like did it till my knees are like a 90-degree angle. No, fully way down. Right? A full deep squat. And I tried it on one leg. I tried it on my right leg. I held onto one of these bars and I couldn't do it. I only got like maybe 100 degrees. My right leg was like 100 degrees, something like that. So, not what I wanted. But I think I'm pretty close. The reason why I think I'm pretty close is because I'm trying to improve my core and stability, trying to improve my balance, how stable I am, and I've been training legs too. I've started training legs again, and today I did 50 kg squats, 55 kilogram squats on for 5 reps. Now that doesn't sound like a lot, but to me it is, because the way I'm doing it is I'm holding it directly on top of me, not with a barbell, but with me being directly on top of me, like, so it's got more centrifugal forces acting upon me rather than just me squatting with a barbell, right? So I probably weigh about 60 to 70 kilograms, 70 kilograms maximum, maybe 75. I don't think I weigh 80 kilograms because I'm really short. But since I can almost squat my whole body weight directly on top of me, I think I might be able to do pistol squats, because that's just all. I'm just like, it's just core and stability more. It's just more so core and stability of a demand than it is a strength demand. So if I improve my core and stability and my strength doesn't improve, I think I'll be able to do the pistol squat. I think. I hope. Because if I do, that will prove to me that my legs are much stronger than an average person's, and much fitter than an average person. And I'll be able to do a lot more than an average person with my legs. Yeah, so that's it. See ya. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.